Getting the count right. That's the aim of August's census, but in remote Indigenous communities in the Northern Territory, about 20% of people don't fill out a census form. At Gallowinka on Alco Island, the Australian Bureau of Statistics has launched a recruitment drive in a bid to ensure everyone fills out the form.
A long way away lives 3 cousin brothers.
Capturing an audience from a young age.
They count us so they know how many of us mob are here.
Jessie Bonson has written a book telling Indigenous school children about the census.
Making their family aware of what census is, and so that they're not threatened when census comes because their kids know about it. It's a family thing.
The Australian Bureau of Statistics thinks that awareness will make the difference. The last census found that more than 1 in 4 people in the Northern Territory were Indigenous, but the ABS says about 20% didn't take part.
People are scared that other different government departments are going to be able to access their personal information, where people may be in an overcrowded situation. They may have told an organisation that there's 5 people in the house, when in reality there's 15.
The Bureau of Statistics wants to spread the word that the census information is kept private and won't be used to increase people's rent. 700 people will be recruited across the Territory to work in remote Indigenous communities like Gallowinka. They'll work with interpreters and visit homes to ensure people fill out the census form in August.
People working here at Gallowinka think about 3,000 people live in the community. They say the census needs to reflect that, otherwise they'll miss out on vital funding for housing, infrastructure, education and health.
Elders are on board to ensure their community doesn't miss out.
I tell them the census is really important to let the government know.
Another hurdle to overcome in closing the gap between Indigenous and non-Indigenous people. Ashley Raper, ABC News, Gallowinka.